how to create a website in WordPress. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a website in WordPress step by step and in very simple steps, and it's very easy and it's not complicated. And people who are still confused on how to create a website, I'm going to clear all your doubts. It's very easy, and I'm going to show you how you could create a professional website under 5 minutes. So guys, let's get started. So as you could see over here, for a website you need two things. One is web hosting and the other one is domain. So basically domain is google.com, yavarkhan.com, so your business name or your name, and the second one is hosting. Okay, so first thing is go on Bluehost, one of the best web hosting for WordPress. They give you a free domain, free SSL. So you just need to buy this Bluehost and that's it. You are done, your website is created. I'm not joking, I'm serious. I have a 20% discount. Go and check it out. Okay, the link is down below. It's an affiliate link. I get some kickback. Okay, but anyways, now all you have to do is click on login. Oh, sorry, you don't have to log in because you need to create an ID first. So all you have to do is first you need to pay around $2.95 per month, which is hardly nothing, because this hosting is the best hosting, because I've tried GoDaddy, HostGator, other web hosting services, but I'm satisfied with this. Mark my words, and they give you a 30-day money back guarantee. I'll give you a 100-day money back guarantee. But anyways, once you just get started, okay, click over here, get started. I always choose, I chose the 12-month plan, and I chose the recommended Choice Plus because I create a lot of websites. I make money with them. I do affiliate marketing. I create websites for other people. I create websites for SEO ranking, for demo. So I chose this one, because I would also suggest you choose this one, because unlimited websites, unlimited storage, unlimited bandwidth, free SSL, everything's there. If you want the cheaper one, again, you can choose this one, but I would suggest this one. Select buy it, put your email ID. Once all of that is done, click on login. Okay, so once you do that, then all you have to do is click on my sites. So I already, as you could see, I have a lot of websites. I've created a lot of websites. So all you have to do is click on my sites, create a site. You could choose WordPress, which I'm going to do. Just use WordPress, put in your site name, which I'm going to say easy peasy. Okay, your tagline over here. That's it. Next. Okay, again, just select your domain from here. That's it. You don't need to write this. I'm writing this for demo purposes for you guys. So again, easy peasy. You don't have to write this. Okay, nothing, just leave everything as it is, and that's it. Your WordPress website is created. You don't even have to worry about it. It's so simple. So congratulations guys, WordPress installed successfully. So this is how your WordPress installation looks. Click on login to WordPress. And then once you're over here, it will take some time, because all right world, time to take you on. Okay, so you need to wait for a while because my internet's slow. So as you could see right now, I'm in my WordPress dashboard. If I view my site, my website looks very simple. Okay, so the first thing which you need to do is click on settings, general, put in your site title, put in your tagline, which I've already done. The next thing is on the left hand side, setting, general, and then permalinks. Click on permalinks. Once you do that, click on post name. This is really good for SEO. Save changes. Once these two important SEO settings are done, and make sure that in general you always put your keywords, or whatever your website is going to rank for, it will come over here. So as you could see over here, easy peasy, tagline over here, so it would show on your website. So all of these things are done. Now click on plugins. So now no need to just click on activate. So this is already installed. Click on activate, and then they have a Bluehost plugin as well. So if you run into any issues, Bluehost is always on your back, so you don't even have to worry about it. Make your life simple. You pay the money, let them do the work. Don't take the hassle of how do you install SSL and everything. They do it for you. And in fact, SSL is already installed. So if you have any if you have even issues on installing WordPress, give them a call or just talk with the support team. They would help you out, and they are really helpful. And the support is 24/7, so you can just call or message them whenever you want. Once that's done, so now we install anti-spam. The next thing which we need to install is any SEO plugin. So add new, and your website's created, by the way. So add new, click on SEO, enter. Okay, install now. So your SEO is installed. Okay, once this is done, now I'm going to show you how you could start posting or how you could start blogging on WordPress. Just click on post, add new. Okay, so I have a habit of opening new tabs rather than clicking on it, but you can just click over here, post, add new. Once you're over here, so as you could see, this is the new block editor, which is easy. So you can write, here is your title, headline. Okay, headline, this is your content, okay, publish. Once you do this thing, you can just refresh and your post would come here. So congratulations, this is how you post. Once all of these things are done, you're 90% done, guys. So only 10% is remaining. Click on appearance, themes. Now we'll make sure that our website looks really good. Okay, it looks sexy. So yeah, let's go right now. Add new, and then just type Astra. There are a lot of free themes, but I always suggest using Astra because I've used it and I give you 100% guarantee that it's really good. Once it's installed, you can click on activate and then you can refresh. Now again, it looks good. Now all you have to do is again click on theme editor, or sorry, Astra options. Just click over here, go back, Astra options. So as you could see over here, Astra options, click over here, and then over here you could see this one, install importer plugin. Click over here. Once it's activating, so once it's activated, select the page builder. I select Elementor and then click next. And once you're done with that, so there are pre-made templates which you could use. So let's say I want to use this one. Okay, so just click import the whole site, or I can just say import the whole site and then just click import. So as you could see, now it's done. If I click on view site, my website looks really professional. This is how my website looks. Okay, so this is how you can create it. Now you must be wondering, Yavar, how do you edit it? So as you could see over here on top, edit with Elementor. Okay, so basically Elementor is a page builder. If you have used Paint in your school, then you can use this as well. So no excuses. So once this is getting loaded, if you want to change, just type anything over here and just click on update. So I think so that's it for today's video. If you would like to learn more about this, I've created a free course. The link is down below. And again, I've created one more free course. If you would like to learn how you can drive free traffic to your WordPress website, generate more traffic, and then you can start making money through Google AdSense or selling products, or getting email IDs and selling them products. Again, if you want to learn about getting organic traffic on your website, I've created a free crash course on how you could double your website traffic in what, 1 day, or even in 1 week. You can double your website traffic. Very simple and easy free course. Okay, you can go and check it out. And that's it for today's video. Yavar Khan signing off.